Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro GBP in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got three lines here on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro GBP and what are the trading opportunities. So first of all, you can see that we have a line at the top which is acting as a resistance for the market. Or in simple words, when market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance from this trend line. So this is a valid resistance for the market. And at the bottom we have this trend line which is also acting as a dynamic support for the market. Whenever market is coming down, it is getting the support from this trend line. So this is a resistance and this is a support. And this pattern is called as symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern means when market is constantly forming higher lows. You can see the market is constantly forming higher lows. Market is not breaking the previous high, but on the other hand, market is also unable to form new highs. Market is also forming lower highs here. So we are having lower highs plus higher lows. Okay, whenever we get this kind of a pattern, this is called as symmetrical triangle pattern. And in symmetrical triangle pattern, generally it is considered that market will be going up. Okay, it is considered as a bullish triangle pattern, but in my experience I have seen that symmetrical triangle pattern may betray as well. So my dear friends, do not wait for the market to break only this level. You can also see market going down as well. Okay, so be careful. So the first trading opportunity, okay, the first trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro GBP is if market bounces from the line at the bottom on Monday, you can take a buy position. If market bounces from the line at the bottom, you can take a buy position because this is the dynamic support for the market. But on the other hand, if market fails to provide support to the market and market breaks the level, yes, listen to me carefully. If market breaks this line and if the size of the candle is big enough, then also you can take a sell position. Okay. If market bounces from the trend line, go for a buy. If market breaks the level and the candle size should be big, yes, keep in mind the size of the candle should be big. It means that market has the the price has the support of volume, because it is considered that price is the king. Okay, and keep in mind, if price is the king, volume is the queen. Okay, so if market breaks the trend line with a big candle, means with volume, then you can take a sell position as well. Okay, and that is your second trading opportunity. And if market goes up from here and if market reverses from the trend line at the top, you can take a sell position, and this is your third trading opportunity. If market reverses from the trend line at the top and if market breaks the line at the top and again the size of the candle is big enough, then you can go for a buy, and that is your fourth trading opportunity. See why I am focusing on the size of the candle, because it signifies that market has the support of the volume, market has the participation of the traders in the breakout, because you need to identify breakout between false breakouts and real breakouts. And the only way to identify false breakout and real breakout is the volume. Okay, if market breaks any level with volume, then you can go for it, you can trust the breakout. If market breaks this line and starts going up with a big fat candle, go for a buy. If market breaks this line and with a big fat candle, you can go for a sell, because you have the confirmation from the volume. Okay, so whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. And because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, and for my wrong analysis you should not be losing your whole money. So do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and please use proper risk management. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again. Good luck.